gentlemen, what a day, and especially what an evening. We have all of you here once again for this evening that we have been all waiting for. So ladies and gentlemen, here it is. Welcome to this gorgeous ceremony. This is the finale of this day of celebrations in Vegas, an evening where we recognize the leaders of New India. This is India's Night of Inspiration. This is a celebration, just as I mentioned. There's going to be awards, recognition, fun, but we have had a lot of serious talk going on in the morning, so I request all of you, sit back, relax, and have the time of your lives. And because it's a celebration, let's hear each one of us to ring in the celebration in a nice way. So can I hear all of you? Are you all here? Can we make some noise for this beautiful evening, for all you leaders? And in Vegas, celebrating India's Night of Inspiration. The inspirational leader of New India goes to... This innovator has revolutionized the Indian innerwear industry with its undeterred grit. Going against the wind, Mr. P.R. Agarwal has combined his innate business sense with a far-sighted approach to steer Rupa to the top, earning it a place in the Limca Book of Records. Let's join our hands for Mr. Prahlad R. Agarwal, the chairman of Rupa and Company Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Agarwal. These are the people who have written the history, who are still writing the history of India as we'll know it one day. And we are here under one roof with all of these stalwart personalities. I'd request, let's have the rupture. I know all of you are winners, but as one would know what it takes to be here. So let's keep the evening more live. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. O.P. Sabu, the founder, chairman, and managing director of First Flight Couriers. Deriving his inspiration from the extraordinary J.R.D. Tata, O.P. Sabu drives a roaring trade in the form of India's largest domestic courier company, a zealot at heart. The man believes in the theory of karma and follows the principles of astrology, rooted Indian. Here we go, Mr. O.P. Sabu. But before that, this morning we just saw him going live and doing impromptu performances, but this is the time I give to you. He's the one who's changed the scene of popular music, which was not at a great condition, but him coming onto the scene of musicians and singers and rappers has completely changed the scenario of popular music, and now he's made it big even in Bollywood or Indian cinema as we all know it. Give it up. He's going to come, he's going to rock you all, and he's going to make this evening reach up a notch higher. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. Make some noise for Yo-Yo Honey Singh.
मुझे लगता है या तो किसी ने कुछ खाया नहीं है, कुछ पिया नहीं है, या कुछ कोई शोर नहीं मचा रहा. Everybody make some noise. Bobby Brown da makeup ला के मुंडे पकड़ी जाती है, जैसे लोग ही करे उड़ी का लेट नाइट ही आती है. Because even समझ रहा है, आएगी कसूर सारा, उची अती ही आना, उची अती ही आना. रख के लगा जावे से, आएगी कसूर सारा, उची अती ही आना, 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 उची अती ही आना.
Oh wow, what an energy. मतलब शाम कहाँ से कहाँ पर पहुँच गई. मैंने आपसे कहा था that this evening is going to be one to remember. And for setting up, एक बार जोरदार शोर और तालियां हो जाए for Honey Singh. Come on everyone, give some love. So this award goes to him. Thank you, Honey, so much. Congratulations. Thank you, everyone, for being on the stage. And just as I said, the night has just begun, because we know that the day starts at nighttime. I give it up, but what an evening, what a day all in together. But remember, we still have to keep the fact that the evening and the night is on. So whatever happens in Vegas, state input. I give the mic to Mr. Kaista. But before that, if I have misspelled, mispronounced anyone's names, I'd like to apologize. Agar koi bhi galti ho, to please maaf kijiyega. But a beautiful evening, a beautiful morning. This is Ishita Sarkar giving it up. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. I had a lot of fun with you. Over to you, Mr. Kaista.